Alright, we're going over the Dell XPS 13 2-in-1 laptop, a relatively old device that may result in this video tanking, but either way, let's go over the raw stats. The Dell XPS 13 2-in-1 is a high-quality laptop tablet that comes with many features that make it a great choice for students and professionals alike. And these are all the raw stats. I'll let you read them for a couple seconds here. And these are the most notable ones that I want to focus on. First, let's quickly talk about pricing. So given that this laptop is a bit older, it will have a fairly fluctuating price tag. There used to be other less powerful configurations than the one we have listed, but it seems like we're stuck with a $1,300 one. Even still, you might find this laptop for a little bit cheaper or priced at a little bit more depending on where you buy it from. Now, for internal specs, it's not amazing. The CPU is fairly good, don't get me wrong, here are the benchmarks. But it comes with an integrated GPU, which those who play a lot of intense games or run a lot of graphically demanding programs know that that's just not enough. So if you're going to do anything that requires a good graphics card, try to do a little bit more research on if this laptop can handle that. But if it can't, maybe consider a different device altogether, which we'll go over more in my verdict. And for connectivity, it's not great. 2 USB ports, which is pretty disappointing, especially since this is a laptop that's built around the idea of productivity. And there's nothing productive about having only a couple USB ports. But it makes up for that with its battery. The XPS 13 2-in-1 on average has a stellar 11-hour battery life, which is just great. And some people have even gotten more than that. It will last you the entire day and then some. Good job, Dell. And lastly, the camera. Yeah, it ain't amazing. 720p is definitely passable, but don't expect to look gorgeous on your Zoom calls. It's just average. And now before getting onto my verdict, here are some reviewer acclaims and criticisms to keep in mind. The Dell XPS 13 2-in-1 was praised for its well-roundedness, battery life, and build quality, and it was critiqued for its pen not included, connectivity, and keyboard. So, why buy this laptop? In fact, why even go over this laptop when it's so old? Well, despite its age, the Dell XPS 13 2-in-1 is a great device. It's a well-designed laptop that some people may want to consider purchasing. And I've just stumbled across it while trying to research the best 2-in-1s on the market, and it appeared on many lists. But is it really worth it? Well, that I'm kind of stuck on, because on one hand, yeah, it's a great laptop, solid stuff. But on the other hand, it's got some competition, even from Dell. So yeah, I'd say that it's worth it if you really want to get a laptop from Dell's XPS line. It's professional productivity laptops. Even then though, Dell has newer options available to you, such as the Inspiron, which has updated specs over the XPS. Nevertheless, the XPS 13 2-in-1 is a great device, especially if it fits your needs and you're cool with its age. You'll be pleased with it. But if not, we'll have to keep searching. But ultimately, all of this is your decision based on your preferences. Don't just watch my video on this. I've linked many more down in the description to view at your discretion. My name is See Rooster. It's spelled like Cyrus, pronounced like See Rooster. Just take out the ter. Thank you very much for watching. Good luck with your purchase and have a wonderful day.